5, 6, 7, 8.
Little mama, don't you know? Your ex should've never let you go. Oh, oh, you my flavor. She get drinking straight with no chase.
Hello, YouTube. Actually, in my kitchen right now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we're just gonna jump right into this video, and I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using for this Bantu night out.
It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end.
I also want to add that when I blow dry my hair, my Bantu knots come out so much better, and they also come out so much fluffier. Basically, I'm gonna just part my hair wild crazy, and I'm just show y'all how I do it.
Felt like it could have been us against the whole world. Baby, you were mine and I was your girl. Whatever happened to the time that we spent sober? I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover.
So when twisting your hair, you're not going to want to start directly at the root, because the twist will eventually work its way up, as you can see. And you're not going to want to twist tight either. You're going to want to do it really softly, okay? And if your ends aren't trying to stay in the knot, you can just use a bobby pin or a rubber band. Normally mine stay for me. This is just a closer look on how I twist it, and as well as how I knot it.
Though I know it's no one's fault, if I've learned anything at all, with us, no matter how I add it up. 1 + 1 is none. I've been at this party for some time now, sipping on Bacardi till it runs out. You are in the corner with your head down. I don't even wanna know what that's about, cause you're the one that's always getting too wasted, and I'm the one that's never that intoxicated. Tonight I'm in my feelings, oh I'm faded, but I don't wanna think about the complicated. Oh, young love got me feeling like I can't get up, wishing for it but it never left. I thought we'd be together, oh it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover, boy it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end.
Okay, so boom, wrap your hair and you go to sleep. Don't mind me looking angry. I literally just woke up, but what you're gonna do now is put a little bit of oil on your fingertips and start taking your Bantu knots out. You're gonna start rotating it opposite of how you put it in.
If I've learned anything at all, with us, no matter how I add it up.
Now with separating your Bantu knots, you're going to want to do it really carefully. Like, you don't want to frizz up your hair, you don't want to frizz up the curls, because it's really not going to look right. Now here's my favorite part, the picking. This is it before I picked my hair, and then this is me picking my hair. You're just gonna want to pick your hair to how you like it, of course. But I just wanted to show y'all like my knot out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that goodish, hit that bell button, sis, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys. Oh, I'm falling. Bye, guys. Love you.
For the whole world, felt like it could have been us against the whole world.